If you're looking to make a move, now is a great time to sell. I'm here today with Jim McDonough with Veterans Cleaning Solutions, who can help you knock a few big tasks off the list if you're preparing your home for the market. That will both help you sell the property faster and for a higher price. So Jim, starting with the exterior, curb appeal is important. What can you guys do to help get that curb appeal right before we come on the market?
Very good. Well, Tim, some of the things we really want to look at right away is where's the customer see your home if you're listing it first? And that's going to be in your advertising. So these are going to be your listing photos. So that's where they're going to see the home, and that they're going to start looking for things that are discriminators on the home. The second thing is then when they're going to be in the back seat of your car or one of your agent's vehicles when they're looking at the house when they pull up. And they're going to see things like the roof, the driveway, the eaves on the house, the walkway as you're coming up to it. These things are typically covered in black, or we have black bacteria on them down here in Alabama. And we want the home to be clean and pristine and not to attract the wrong attention. That's on
awesome.
The exterior.
What about the inside? What can you do to help get the interior of the home ready?
Very good. That's the next step. Is once we get people attracted in the home and then we bring them into the house, we want the agent to open the front door, let the client walk in and start looking at the aesthetics of the home. We don't want people to be looking at the spots and the stains and the traffic lanes. These are things that can all be cleaned out prior. And again, these will be captured in the listing photos.
Hey, a pet peeve of mine, a lot of people have trouble with like scummed up glass shower doors. Beautiful tiled showers, but that shower door, that's hard to get that scum off of there. You have solutions for things like that too?
That is right. Yes, we do. And one of the items that your home cleaners may have struggles with is removing hard water spots and the soap scum that's in a shower. So that's some very difficult stuff. We specialize in that in our deep cleaning and restorative methods, because the master shower, that's one of the most primary wet rooms, and you don't want to have a clear glass look frosted from the bottom half up. Let's remove all of that so they can enjoy the beauty of that original shower.
Absolutely. You know, we also have a saying in this business, if the buyers can smell it, I can't sell it. Do you have any solutions if there may be an odor in the property?
That's right, you bet. And so when that front door opens, we want people looking at the beautiful home. We want them visualizing the way that they're going to picture themselves in that house, not wondering and picturing where the cat box or how many dogs we had. So we use ozone air treatments to be able to reduce that last little bit of nesting aroma that may be in the home. And so when the folks walk in and they look at the home, they really see it for what it is, not what was in there before they looked at the home.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You also came to us with a really terrific solution for payment for sellers that are looking to put their home on the market. Tell us about how your payment plan can work for someone who's putting their home on the market.
Very good. This is really important because we're the only ones that know that we're doing any program like this, and this is how we're able to position a cleaning package for either the seller or the buyer, because in the negotiations the buyer can ask that certain cleaning things be done so we can ensure that the home is clean and healthy when we move in, because that's really important. You're putting your family in a new home. So what we do is we package the exterior cleaning investment, the interior cleaning investment, the ozone treatments together, and then we do a move-in cleaning or a move-in sales option, which is we're able to take 50% of that investment, and that's paid at the time of the service. The other 50% of the cleaning investment is deferred until closing, where we can unlock a few dollars in equity.
That's awesome. That's a really helpful service that you can give to our sellers
Yeah.
who may not have the cash funds to pay it all up front, but are getting those funds at closing from their equity.
Yeah, save your cash for the unexpecteds in moving, because they're always going to come up. And so we just help you a little bit with that. It's just a little way of going, our way of going just a little bit further on the extra mile.
Awesome. And so, Jim, what's the best way to reach you if they're ready to schedule service?
Very good. So first off, do your due diligence. Come look at us at veteranscleaningsolutions.com to learn more, and then call us up to schedule a meetup, and then we measure everything up so you get a measured, written, no cost, no obligation estimate at a time that's convenient for you, and you can reach us at 334-475-3040.